Supporters of the EFF, do not go to church. It's a trap. You're going to die.
Over 60 years of age. Zange ndamphupuluka.
What do you mean by that?
Moya wam awuconnecti nomoya ka-Abraham ngoba ndimazi uAbraham.
Hey! Nakhe!
Kodwa xa kuthethwa ngokhumalo ndiyaconnect.
As long as uthenga i-oil esontweni, you don't know the truth.
Do not go to church.
We can't wait for Jesus to come. We are Jesus ourselves who are going to clean that place.
I'll fight back. Hey, we're in politics. I'm not in a church where when people fight, I pray for them. I don't do that.
I could not find audience with him. Just said, let me just touch, the hem of his garment, just his strip there. And then Jesus is like, I felt power going out of me. And then the woman got, this is Jesus Christ. Bambulale, bamhlabe, bambulale, bathi lo angeke avuke. Bamshaye. Bambeka esiphambanweni bathi mfuna ukumbona ukuthi ushonile, ukuthi ufile. And he dies. They bury him. Aphuma uJesu ethuneni. That's the guy we're talking about, DP. I want you to imagine the dramatics of what I've just said. This guy, this very guy who does these things is asked, how will we know? How will people know that we are your disciples? That we are your students? Jesus does not say, if you walk in the walls like me. Does not say if you walk on water like me. Does not say all these miracles that he performs. He says, they will know that you are my disciples if you love one another. If you love one another.
Ndizobaxelela namhlanje uba azikho izinyanya.
I told you. No one here is safe.